Hi folks, this is Max from NexusSHacks.com. So I've got a new ROM review for the Nexus S4G on my left and the regular Nexus S on my right. So this is the codename ROM for both. It's available for both, and I've got both running at 1.46 gigahertz overclocked. Let me just put one of them down. I'll show you on my Nexus S4G. It's just pretty much the same thing. Under system settings, you'll find the codename settings. You can see interface, performance, and launcher. Let's take a look at the performance part and go to processor speed, and you can see I've got it set at 1.46 gigahertz. Governors, I think the Matr1x kernel is the best. InteractiveX, I like that one the best for so far, but I put it on performance mode right now. And let me adjust the maximum frequency. Sometimes you'll have to make sure it's at 1.46 for just testing. So I'll give you a quadrant performance. This is actually the best performing Nexus S combo, ROM/kernel combo that I've tried. So highly recommend it. And also this is actually recommended to me by MathKid95, the developer of Matr1x kernel. Also, let me show you on the next. Well, it's the same thing. It also works really well on overclock to 1.46 gigahertz. Some phones may not be able to go that far, but you know, both of my phones are actually overclocked to 1.46 gigahertz. So yeah, if you can do it, that's good. If you can't, that's too bad. You might want to try like 1.3 or 1.2. But my phone is running like super fast now, super smooth. I really like this ROM. I actually like it better than Crossbones and Bixby. So for those of you who've been waiting, you might want to check it out. So I've got 2490 there, and let me adjust make it a little brighter so it's easier to see. I was getting almost 3000 earlier, so I was like, wow, this thing's so fast. So you can go to system settings, performance again, and processor speed. Don't set it at performance. That's if you're just playing games all day long. InteractiveX is, I think, good for great performance, and also you want to put it on set on boot, right? And then let me show you some of the other features. Like you'll notice that I've got my own carrier, ZeroMax. And also you have the for the Nexus S4G, you have the 4G toggle, which is really great for toggling easily to 4G. That's an interface where you can change all that. You can change the notification widget. I really like how the codename ROM, everything's in settings. It's not in a different app. You don't need to install another app, and also it's kind of very clean ROM. So this is actually my first time trying it. Rotation and animation. You can enable the 180 degrees, so you can use it this way too, which is great, but I lost my button, so I'm gonna go back this way. And let me see here. Let's do, oh, there you go. The custom carrier label is pretty cool, so I changed it to ZeroMax, so you can get your own, you know, whatever there. And let me show you launcher options. You can change the home screen options. Number of home screens, I've got it at 5. Default home screen. Number of rows you can change. I've got it also at 5. Columns at 5. You can get rid of the search bar. I haven't on this one because I haven't done it yet, but I'll show you actually on the regular Nexus S, so you'll see the change. It's just a little customization, but some of you might like it because, like for me, I don't want that search bar there because I don't really use it. So if I go to home now, the search bar is gone, and let me see if you can tell a difference here. Okay, well, other than that, it's a standard Android 4.0.3, and system settings, about phone, 4.0.3. I guess this is one of the best ROMs out there right now, and also the kernel. You know, so it's a really good combo. I think I've actually found even a new combo. I like the Crossbones, Bixby, and now I like this one too, so highly recommend it for you guys to try it out. Let me know what you think, and let me set up screen lock real quick and show you that's working good. Actually, you know what? Screen lock isn't working as well as the Crossbones. I'm not sure if it's the lighting. I'm over at my parents' house, but I'm not going to go into that one because that's not the real feature. But everything else is like really smooth, and I really like it. The progress of ICS on Nexus S is probably the best right now. Oops, no, I don't want to go there. Anyway, I just wanted to show you, let's see Google News real quick. This new ROM combo works really well. It's actually been recommended. I've been actually looking for a good combo, and it works really well. What I really like is that out of the box, I don't have to do anything, and it overclocks to 1.4 gigahertz. I haven't had single freeze for like last 8 hours I've been using this. So I really love this ROM. Check it out. I know you guys are gonna love it, and ICS just keeps getting better and better on the Nexus S. I would say it's probably one of the best implemented. Maybe that's not a surprise, since it's a Nexus phone. So, but Nexus S is still one of my favorite device. If I feel like my Galaxy Nexus or Galaxy Note is too big, for example, I'm going somewhere and I'm gonna go like clubbing or something, or then I'll take my Nexus S, or it's still a great phone. The coolest part is there's a lot of ROM developers and a lot of kernel developers, great kernels. So right now I would say the top of the line is the Big C Apex kernel, or the ROM. The Crossbones I really like, and also this one is the new one, and I think CodeName is the new really good one. So I mean, they're all a little bit different, so depending on what you like, you might like it a lot, but I really like this one because I can put ZDOMX on there, and also my lock screen there. It's kind of cool. Anyway, this is really good ROM. Check it out. Let me know what you think. Post comments on YouTube or on my site nexushacks.com. And check out Matr1x Kernel's new site. I helped him make it. It's called the matrixkernels.com. You can get the kernels there. I'll have a link to his kernel site. Download the latest version, version 16. That's what I'm using. And I think he's going to come out with 16.5 and 16.54. He just told me to he's going to send me a beta version of it so I can test it out also. So I'll have an update on that. But check it out. Really great combos. CodeName ROM and the Matr1x kernel. Freaking highly recommend it. Oh yeah. See y'all later. Alright, subscribe.